Hey guys, today we're going to do a new website called ABCYa, and I'm going to go into second grade because I'm in second grade, right? So now if you scroll down a lot, now you can find a game called Slimezilla with the compound words, and we're going to play this. Stop. Just let me lower the volume. The last times I've done that, yeah, they weren't too good, so I'll put it at 25 or something. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to let me where that triangle is, yeah, and now we can play. Yes, I'm so really cool. Yeah, we don't need to look at this. Right, now we have to combine these, right? Which two words come together? Friend and sip, right? Friend and sip together, they make friendship, right? And that's a real word. And then what about horse and shoe, right? That makes horseshoe. And is horseshoe a real word? Yeah, it is. So then combine them, that makes horseshoe. And then toothpick. There's no word called toothfish or big fish or big tooth, but there is toothpick, which means it's a real word. No, same thing. Bedroom, right? Everyone sleeps in a bedroom, so it's quite obvious that boom, it's a bedroom, right? And see, every time we do it, this guy gets bigger, actually. And then the blueberry, right? Berry blue doesn't work, but if you do blueberry, that makes a yummy blueberry. Now we can do a bookworm. I have no idea what a bookworm is, but my mom said it's a bookworm once, so I'll just go with it. Like, it's a bookworm. I have no idea what it is. Yeah, now back to Slimezilla. Yeah, and we're a glue guy against Slimezilla. The attack button hits him, the dog button down, and that, yeah, and then yeah, good. Let's go, guys, and win! Yeah. Yeah, we attack Slimezilla. Like ready for nuisance, Slimezilla. Yeah, we're gonna crush it. Ooh, yeah. See, and that's the best attacks and they're flying away out of the city. And now what? It's aeroplane, right? I'm guessing you might have ridden an aeroplane, so yes, an aeroplane. I bet you can guess. It's a raincoat, right? Or just not called rain siren now, a rain blue, but there is raincoat, and that's a real word. So yeah, and then is there out blue or outside? No, yes, but outside's a word, so we do outside, and it's the correct word, right? Same thing, raincoat, right? We actually did that before once, I think. Yeah, we have. And then bathtub, right? You probably seen a bath before, no matter how old you are. Right? And that's what it's a postcard, right? There's nothing called post Sally, but there is a postcard. That's a real word. Now we're gonna press let's go and fight Slimezilla again. Now we're much bigger. Now we also have hands. Dogs did just in time. Right? Hit him another 2 times. Hit him. Dog. Hit him again. Hit him again. And now dog. His thing is getting close, right? But we won't let us stop us. Oh, yeah, and he sends us flying out of the city again. Right? What? It's a strawberry, right? You probably eaten strawberries, so you know it's a strawberry, right? And cow. There's nothing called a cow fly, cow butter, or cow nose, but there is something called a cowboy. Which means yes, that's the answer. And then, yeah, you know there's nothing called butternote, so it has to be butterfly. Butterfly. And then there's something called the gumdrop, but no gum tooth, gum say, gum brush, or gum hand, right? Which means it has to be a gumdrop. And then there's something called a tooth suit, tooth hand, or toothache. No, but there is something called, oops, that's a mistake. I mean a toothbrush. Right. And now, which one is it? Handsuit or handshake? It's handshake, right? Yeah, it's handshake. And now let's fight Slimezilla again. Falling in. We attack. Oops, here is lost. We attack, and we dodge. Right, attack, and then dodge it. We attack it again. And now, oops, that's not good. We attack him, dodge him. Right, but here, the special attack doesn't affect us, which is good. Hit him to dodge. Attack him. But notice once, attack him, and attack him. Right? But notice something. Something's gonna happen soon, right? And then we dodge him again, right? But now look. When he does it, it sends our... Oh, never mind. We hit him 2 times, and dodge him. And actually, we can just keep hitting him. Because now that doesn't matter. As we've got... But now look. Punch him, and then see, we do that, and we punch him, and boom, see, Slimezilla went down, which means, thanks to us, Slimezilla is safe. Yeah, we're good. Right, guys? Yeah. Okay, well, bye, guys. This is actually the end of today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.